Welcome back to another edition of our Investor Spotlight series. I'm Eric Toddy with the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are able to provide these services to our families and friends of the Chamber that may not necessarily have a brick and mortar location, but they're providing small business services to the area. So I am here with Mr. Clay Patterson. How are you today, sir?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you very much. And you're with Complete Homestead Restoration,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
So tell us a little bit about yourself and the services you provide for the people in this area.
Yeah, I've been doing work here in Mountain Home since about 2000. Third generation contractor, and came out of high school and decided I wasn't going to be a part of that. And by the time 2000 rolled around, I had my own business and laying flooring. And I've developed the business from there, and now I have general contractor's license, do water remediation and remodel and stuff like that.
Okay, so tell us a little bit more about water remediation, because people may not be familiar with the term.
Water remediation is basically going in if you've had a water leak, whether, the most common would be a dishwasher, a water heater, or refrigerator line breaking and flooding the house.
Sure.
The remediation is the process of going in, tearing out the wet, drying it out, and getting it back to new.
Getting it back to new.
Yeah.
All right. Well, tell us about some of your biggest projects that you've done in the area.
Wow. I've done whole house remodels. Just came off of a whole house remodel, and I'm starting another one right now. Everything from the ground up, really.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. And you've been in the business for how long?
I've been in business for myself for 23 years now.
23 years.
Yeah.
And what parts of the area do you serve?
Probably about a 40 to 50 mile radius from here.
From the center of Mountain Home?
Sure.
All right, great. So you can find out more about what you have to offer on your website, which I'll go ahead and put out on the screen for you so that everybody knows where it's at, and send a little and give everybody some pictures and images of some of the work that you do. And you also have a Facebook page, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Complete Homestead Restoration. I have some photos on there, and I try to post stuff on there pretty regularly.
All right, great. And what's a telephone number if people need to get a hold of you?
417-255-3940. And I answer the phone pretty much all hours of the day.
All right, great. So, well, we want to thank you for joining us with our Investor Spotlight series. Again, you can find him on his website, or you can visit our membership directory at enjoymountainhome.com. Just click over to the right, click on Members and Membership Directory, and put in Restoration, and you can find him in there or under our contractors and so forth. So, thank you, Clay, again for being here. Good to see you.
Appreciate it.
We'll see you guys next time for our Investor Spotlight series.